Hey y'all. So today in our video on Ask Me Anything, ask a hypnotherapist anything you want, we're going to be looking at another common question that comes through a lot of times. And this question is, are there specific types of trauma that respond better to hypnosis and hypnotherapy than others? So when it comes to hypnosis and hypnotherapy, it can be a highly effective tool in helping heal certain types of traumas. Um, its effectiveness depends a lot on the individual's willingness and readiness to engage in the process. And having said that, there are certain types of traumas that tend to respond particularly well to hypnosis and hypnotherapy. One is childhood trauma. Hypnotherapy is a great way to help those dealing with childhood traumas. A lot of this type of trauma is stored in the unconscious mind, and these early life experiences, even those that we may not even consciously remember, can shape our beliefs and our behaviors as we grow into adulthood. So hypnosis allows access to these unconscious memories and can help clients reframe or release this emotional charge that's associated with them. Now, having said that, there is a caveat that needs to be mentioned is when I work with clients on childhood traumas and things like that, is we allow the unconscious mind to go where it needs to go in order to do these. We don't look at, because if you're not careful, we can install false memories in a client. So I like to do this type of work content free. I don't want to know the details. I don't want to know all of the nitty gritty about this, because it doesn't matter. From my point of working with these clients, their unconscious mind knows everything that happened, and their unconscious mind knows what it needs to do to release this. So, and hypnosis is a great tool for that. Another type of trauma that hypnosis works well with is for emotional or psychological trauma. Hypnotherapy works well for this emotional trauma, like a relational or psychological abuse, because it addresses these underlying emotions and patterns and beliefs that were formed during or after the traumatic event. So by using hypnosis to tap into the unconscious mind, hypnotherapy can help individuals break free from these negative loops of self-doubt and fear and unworthiness that may have formed as a result of the trauma. Another excellent use of hypnosis and hypnotherapy in treating traumatic things is dealing with PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. People suffering from PTSD, particularly from non-combat related traumas such as accidents, assaults, or natural disasters, often find relief through hypnotherapy, and it desensitizes this emotional intensity that's surrounding this traumatic memory, and it allows the person to process the trauma in a more neutral, less painful way. I've worked with a lot of clients that have dealt with PTSD issues stemming from accidents and severe storms and things like that, and have been quite successful in helping these clients heal from that and reprocess that. Another great tool that hypnosis and hypnotherapy is, as far as helping with traumas and stress and anxiety, is fears and phobias that have developed from traumatic events. So specific phobias or anxieties that come from a singular event that happened, like fear of driving after an accident, or fear of winds after a severe storm has gone through, or fear of, snakes or spiders or heights after something has triggered that phobia or fear. Hypnosis and hypnotherapy is excellent for helping to rewire the brain's association with that event, and it reduces that emotional intensity and frees the person up from those debilitating effects of trauma. So while hypnotherapy is an effective tool for a lot of different kinds of trauma, when it comes to like complex traumas such as ongoing abuse or multi-layered traumas, it may require a combination of both hypnosis and hypnotherapy and other healing modalities such as MEMI, like multi-channel eye movement integration, to help in reprocessing those patterns and those thoughts and those emotions to achieve optimal results. So everyone's journey is different in the healing process. So it's important to find the right blend of healing modalities that works best for each individual's needs. So I hope that answered some questions that you may have had about it. If you have any more questions, leave them below in the comments or send me a message. I'll be happy to answer them. I'll see you in the next video.